Hello YouTube, this is Carolina with SEBAS and Caro Make You Money. Today we're going to go over what market cap is and how we can use it to our advantage to try to predict if a coin we purchase will make us money. I hope you enjoyed the video and how to utilize the market cap to buy and help you make the right decision. Let's get to it.
Market cap is the total value of all the coins a company has. We calculate by multiplying the circulating supply times the price of a single coin. For example, SEBAS company has 500,000 coins, selling them for $0.001. The market cap will be $500 invested into this project. Market cap alone indicates the health and popularity of a coin. Is the same as showing how cheap or expensive a coin is. Remember, price means nothing if a coin is not popular or if people are not investing into it. The circulating supply of money, which means the money coming in and out of a coin each day, will change the market supply in real time. To find the market cap, you will go to any leading crypto data analytics platform like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Etherscan, and many more. Market cap is a good indicator when deciding to invest in crypto, but not the only indicator. In the future, we will make videos about those indicators like daily volume, how many holders the coin has, and how much percentage of a coin the top wallets have. It is always required to do your homework before you invest your money into any coin. If you would like more information about market cap, please comment below or DM me if you have any questions. We're here to help you and not to waste your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the icon bell so you know when we post our next video. See you next time. I hope I cover all the bases here today. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video.